Hey guys, and here's up to the correct math, and I under the prize. And here's the Twozies season 1, and Tsum, and the sticky grocery game. And I'm gonna open this. Let me pause it. Hey guys, and he just solved the math problem, and I'm already gonna open up some prizes. Oh yeah, guys, and move my guys out to the side. And here's a Disney. Series 3. Let's start off doing the Twozies first. We get Toothpaste Baby, and it kind of like this guy, and a picture in there too. Oh, I got a little butterfly. Oh, so cute. Isn't that adorable? And let's see what the baby looks. Oh, he's so adorable. Oh, and look at the baby elephant. Isn't it? And we got Bambi. So the accessories, you guys. And I'm gonna build it, and I figured out yesterday. I just built it yesterday. Lucky me! And I'm not opening this one. Just stick it. I'm not opening it. So that after the bonus. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on maybe soon to solve my current problem. Goodbye.